Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we talk all things about money and how to make it. You are definitely going to find a new method on how to make money. So I've discovered that 90% of people watching my videos are unsubscribed, and I just want to ask why are you not subscribed? Why are you coming back to my channel but you unsubscribe? Okay, moment of silence for everyone who hasn't subscribed before we move on, and I'll give you 1, 2, 3, go subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So in this video I'll be sharing how you will be able to use Google as a way of making money without even creating any videos and working freelance. But I just want to add that this is not in any way something that's gonna be manna from heaven or a miracle where you make money without even working. You need to work your butt off and be consistent. Okay, so let's get right straight into the video. The first thing I want you to do is go onto Google Trends website. Before we get into the video, let me just say something. So we all know how traffic on the website is like gold. Literally, traffic from the website is gold. So in this method, what you'll be doing is using traffic that's created by trends to get people onto your platform, right? And you know how there are a lot of YouTube channels that are surviving based on trends. Like, for example, there are YouTube channels that are all about gossip, and it's celebrity gossip. For example, it's gonna trend, right? And some YouTube channels take advantage of those trends to create videos that people will watch and in turn get an income from that, right? So yeah, into the video. So the first thing I want you to do is head over to a website called Google Trends and look for the one with .com. That's probably the one that's gonna appear on your screen. And let me also go onto the website and show you here. So this is how Google Trends looks like. You should be able to see the top Google Trends like across the year or something like that. You guys can see here there's interest by subregion and all of that. What you'll do is scroll down, and of course the vaccine has been something that's trending, and you go down, you look on recently trending. For example, on recently trending here we have Lady Gaga with 1 million plus searches. That's good. That's a lot. Even 500k is a lot. So those are the numbers you should be looking for in some of the things that are trending. And I want you to go onto the Lady Gaga link and just see what's happening with Lady Gaga. Lady Gaga's dog walker shot, French bulldog stolen in Hollywood. Okay, that's what's going on with Lady Gaga. After you find that out, I want you to go to YouTube, and search what's going on with Lady Gaga. Instead, search Lady Gaga's dog walker to find the latest things that have been happening in terms of Lady Gaga's dog walker. So what you will do, as you can see, there's a video on Lady Gaga's dog walker being shot, and what you will do is just go into the video. For the sake of the video, I don't want to go into the video because it might turn out to be a long video. So you go into the video and watch what's happening there. Then listen carefully. This is what I want you to do. When you get into the video, you watch the video and you get the gist of what's going on. Then I want you to record whatever is going on in the whole video and put your own voice over into the video. You can mute the video while you're recording it so that your voice over can be the only thing that's going on behind the video. So after you comment on that, you can use that video and upload it on your own YouTube channel. So what you will do is take that video that you recorded on your mobile and upload it to your own YouTube channel. You can call the YouTube channel with whatever name you want to call it. You can say it's a trending blockbuster, trending ice block, trending surface, whatever. you want to call it, right? But I still need you to be consistent through all of this. Now, when you upload that YouTube video, make sure that you use the same title that is used. New video shows attack on Lady Gaga's dog walker in Hollywood, and you can add your own new words that will make the video different, as in maybe you can say new video shows attack on Lady Gaga's dog walker in Hollywood, the whole shot. That's what you can say, or whole view, or new version, or latest news, something like that, right? And what you will do from then, this will allow you to take advantage of the traffic that's coming onto this new video website. So that means your video is gonna appear with the video that's showing this whole thing, right? And let's just go back on this and see what other videos are available. We have 19 hours ago, which has a lot of traffic already. It's Lady Gaga's dog walker critically injured bulldog stolen in Hollywood, right? We have others posting Lady Gaga's dog walker shot, dog stolen. And just make sure that you use a really nice thumbnail. So that's what you'll do, right? Now, second step is I want you to go to a website called DG Store 24, or any website that you might know that works with affiliate marketing, right? So you can say, as you guys can see here on the screen, they're different. You guys will have to log in and just create an account. It's easy. Obviously, I already have mine. You go to animal and pets, for example. When you get to animal and pets, you will have a whole lot of programs about animals and cats. For example, I'm making an example with animal and pets because it has something, this whole thing has something to do with an animal and pet. So as you can see here, actually that doesn't have a lot of things that are selling. So let's just go to, I know meditation and wellness have a lot of affiliation programs. You can go to fitness and health, as you can see there, and you can see keto after 50, high converting keto, high offer. And how much do you get? $3.40 per every time somebody buys. And here it says $30. This one says $30. That's a lot. So you just look for one that you think would sell you the most, or something that you can sell the most. And what you will do now is say, click on promote now. When you click on promote now, you will get your own promo link. Don't use my promo link. I know it's visible there, but don't use my promo link. Then you can copy that promo link and paste it on your video. The video that you upload, you can put a description box and say, apparently this is what gets Lady Gaga energetic on stage, apparently. Yeah. So that's what you do. You put that link, and yeah, you can just take advantage. I'm seeing that there are more and more videos that have more and more traffic, but I think the best thing to do is just look at all the videos that are there at that moment that have a lot of traffic and try to use the same caption as that one so that it appears. And another thing that you can do is open the video that has the most views. For example, let's go up here. Let's just pick this one, 22,000 views. This video that has 22,000 views, let me just pause that because I think it's an ad. And what I want you to do is to install a software called TubeBuddy. With TubeBuddy, you'll be able to see what keywords they've used. So on your YouTube channel, it will require you to add, it's called tag words or keywords. Yeah, tag words or keywords. So you use their same keywords. Whatever keywords they have there, you use them. You can put in a few of your different ones and just make it unique, your own. That's if you want to. And then yeah, just upload that video and you should be able to take advantage of the trends that are happening in the USA. And when people click on your description box, for example, you can earn from people clicking on that link. So that's how you do it. I'm not gonna promise that this is gonna yield thousands and thousands of rands, but what I will promise you is that it works out when you are really consistent. You need to be consistent with the YouTube game. So yeah, that's how you do it. And what I love about this is that you can really afford to upload every single day because there's something happening every single day, especially in the America. So yeah, that's how you can make that amount. And yeah, as you guys can see, this yields a lot of money. This is like $65. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and yeah, thank you so much for everyone who has subscribed thus far. I've seen all your subscriptions. I am really grateful. Thank you. Catch me in the next video. Bye.